Today, I am going to be doing an unboxing of the new GoPro 10. My husband opened the box, so unfortunately, we won't be doing the tearing open of the box. But everything is still like it came. Came with the packaging slip from GoPro. Let me adjust the camera a little bit so we can see a little better. Here we go. I'm using my new camera gear. I got a tripod so that I can try to get this right. Anywho, so in the box, I got the Black Friday special. So I have the GoPro 10. I have the dual battery charger with the battery. And I have the media mod, which I got the media mod, but after noticing that some people say it doesn't make a big difference, I don't know if that was a good idea or not. And there was also this little envelope in there. I'm not sure. Oh, I can get it out. It is the SD card that came with it, which is a 32 gig. The whole kit with the gig, the extra battery, and the camera was $3.99, and that included a year of the GoPro subscription. And this was separate. It was $55 with the GoPro subscription. So let's get this open. All right, so that is the SD card. We don't need that, so we'll put that to the side. I am rather excited. Oh, I don't even need scissors. Well, I'll use them anyway because it'll make 4 meter cut. All right, guys, here we go. It looks like it comes with a nice little case. So I'm not one for ripping stuff apart. I like to look for the way it's supposed to be taken apart. But this looks like I'm gonna have to do some ripping. So, oh, here it is here. Well, that's neat. I don't particularly care for it, but that's life. So good news, it comes with a case. I did not know that it comes with a nice case. I actually almost bought one. And it is a hard case. Ooh, it's so tiny. This is the GoPro 10. So excited. That's the back screen. So I started a travel agency, so I'm going to be doing all of my travel videos on this, hopefully. It comes with the charging card, which is a USB-C. Here's the little tiny battery, and here is what you can use for the mount. I actually saw a really neat video of a guy that just put it on a lanyard and was able to hang it, and then here this sticks, I guess, to something. I don't know. I'm sure someone else does. And then this goes through here and you're set. So what the guy did was actually put the mount through, put the little lanyard ring through there and just did it, and it was pretty cool. So I do plan to do that. And this inside of here comes in and out so that you can just throw stuff in there, or you can keep it in there and keep it nice and neat. Here is a nice little mesh area and your instruction manual, some GoPro stickers. If you have a question with the product, you can chat with someone, and the app for you to download, how you can install the battery and whatnot. And it tells you oh, it's for helmet clip. Okay, so this is for you to clip on your helmet, and then you have the pieces that go along with that. So pretty useful, since I did not know what that was for. So let's put that to the side. And here is the dual battery charger and battery. And it does have an area where I can just open it on the bottom without ripping the box. So I'm gonna try to do that. Yeah, I really save all my boxes for a little bit of time just in case something decides to not work out. So that just slides out nicely. Here is the spare battery, which was free with the package. The dual battery charger, which is nice. I can charge both my batteries at once. And an additional USB-C charger for this, which I'm sure works for everything, right? So there is that. Sorry guys, I like to put stuff back. I don't like stuff all messy, but I know ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so then we have the media mod. Like I said, I watched a video on here last week after I had already put in my order for a guy. I'm not sure what his name is, otherwise I would tell you. And he was doing a review on the media mod, and it kind of didn't seem like it was totally worth it, but I will see for myself. And this has the 9 on it, which made me nervous, but they put a little sticker that says it's compatible with the 10. So let's get this open. Again, I'm gonna open it from the bottom, guys, because that's how I roll. You can't stop me from being neat. Okay. And we'll slide that out upside down. Ah, this is cute. So we have our little screw that we can thread through. We have our additional, oh no, it's gonna make me tear the box. No, it's not. There we go. We have our additional little mount. It's like this one, but if you notice, it's a little bigger. Well, a little longer, rather. This is the one that came with the camera. This is the one that came with the mod. So far we have that and that with the mod, the media mod. And then here is the media mod piece, which is interesting because in the picture, it didn't have the microphone cover on there. So I was a little concerned that it didn't have a microphone, but it just comes here and you just snap it on the back here, I guess. Let me see. Yes. You just snap it on the back like that. Okay, and that's on there. And then if you'll notice here on the side, you can, it looks like you can put maybe your mount here. I'll have to figure it out. I actually do read. Oh, there it is. Looks like it slides in. Let me take this off. All right, now, I'm not trying to break anything. Okay, I won't be taking this off on this video because I don't want to break it and I want my video to be brief because this is just an unboxing. But I do want to see how this looks inside of the media mod. This is so cute and tiny. I mean, this is just unbelievable. And it's got these here so that I can put it right in here, secure it, and when I want to take that off, pop that out, put those back, voila. And the media mod has a USB. I have to figure this out, guys, because it's got like a little charger. I don't know if you can see that. It's got like a little USB-C port in there, and I don't see one here on the camera. Again, this is my first GoPro ever, so I've done research on them, but I haven't done anything else. So I really have to spend time to get to know this little sucker. But this goes on this. This has additional ports that this does not have. So according to the media mod on the back of the box, it offers you a media mod features a built-in directional mic with wind suppression. Wow, long day. 3.5 millimeter mic port, HDMI out, two cold shoe mounts, and tough weather resistant construction. So it does give you some extra ports that you don't have in the camera itself. How I get to them, I don't know. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I will have to read the directions, and right now we don't have time for that because this is just an unboxing. But anywho, this is everything that I got today. Here, I'll do what was included in I'll do everything that was included in my package if you get it around this time for Black Friday, so that you can see everything that came with my package. So pretty cool. It was a little more than I wanted to spend, but I'm hoping that it will pan out. So like I said, I started a travel agency, so for me to do my videos while traveling, I wanted something compact. I wanted something small. This definitely is that. I mean, look at that. It has the dual cameras, and it has great image stabilization from what I've seen on all of the reviews online. So I'm really excited to get into this and to see exactly how it's going to work for me. I also started a new channel, so I'll be getting that up and running soon. My company is LCE Travel, and that is the name of my channel. But until then, please like, please subscribe, and look for more content. And I hope this shows you exactly what you wanted to see from the GoPro Black Friday 2022 bundle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.